Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Attestation Required Secure Boot and TPM Not Enabled error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 on PC. We'll first use the official Call of Duty Secure Attestation wizard to check your system, and then I'll show you how to enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 from your BIOS or UEFI settings. Let's get started. First, open the official Activision support page linked in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard. Download the tool. Once the download is complete, open the zip file. Extract the executable file to your desktop. Now right-click the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard executable and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. When the tool opens, click Run Scan. Wait for the scan to finish. If the results show that TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot is not enabled, continue with the next step. Step 2. Enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Open the Start menu. Click Settings. Go to Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Then click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Confirm the restart if Windows asks you to. Your computer will restart and open the Windows recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot. Then click Advanced Options. Select UEFI firmware settings. Click Restart. Your computer will now restart directly into the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once you are inside the BIOS, look for the Secure Boot option. Depending on your motherboard or computer manufacturer, Secure Boot may be located under a menu such as Boot, Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing. Locate Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Keep in mind that the exact location and name of these settings can be different depending on your motherboard. Now look for the TPM setting. Depending on your system, TPM 2.0 may appear under different names. On some Intel systems, it may appear as Intel Platform Trust Technology, or PTT. On AMD systems, it may appear as AMD CPU FTPM or simply FTPM. Locate the TPM setting and make sure it is enabled. Before continuing, make sure that both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. Once both settings are enabled, press F10 to save your changes. Select Yes to confirm. Your computer will restart and boot back into Windows. After Windows starts, you can run the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard again to confirm that Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are now detected correctly. Then launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. The Attestation Required Secure Boot and TPM Not Enabled error should now be resolved, and that's all there is to it. These steps should help fix the Attestation Required error in Modern Warfare 4 by enabling Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Modern Warfare 4 tutorials, Call of Duty fixes, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.